don't want.
Then I'll tell you to start it. Alright, so you can get started.
Okay.
Actually, pretty cool work there. I hand drilled these holes. Just these. Empty warehouses. So just to make it faster down, I would glue the wheels, glue the truck pieces around the wheels, which are right there as well.
Do you want me to figure out how to do it, or are you gonna tell me?
That's my only piece of advice, at least I think.
Well, MWES is an independent contracting organization. We do things the way we think they should be done.
Okay. Alright, well, do your examination. That has to go in ASAP, so that's the quickest way that I see to not exert so that it takes less time. We don't have to have it dry so much, because then we will have to put the wheels in, which causes stress on the truck. So. Especially since it's cut right in the center, right in half. So that's my idea. Do you have a different idea? That's my goal, is to make it dry in the quickest time, so we can get this done as quick as possible.
You know what? Are my tools still at the science lady's house?
Well,
All my dissection tools?
yeah, you only need the glue. And maybe a couple other tools.
Yeah, they're all gone.
You can use what do you need?
I need the tools that are in that thing.
What tools?
I need force pickups and forceps and stuff.
What do you need?
See if we have any extra in here.
What do you need those for? Where do you want to find it? something? Because you didn't have that. You didn't need to move that
I don't know.
one. Professional.
Hmm?
So it's not really professional. I understand that.
If you would like to make an arrangement with another organization to service your rolling stock,
Okay, now
you know.
all these. So.
I think this has been glued before.
Oh, good to know.
To make adequate. Why all this stuff? None of this stuff goes on.
Yeah,
This is my work area. I don't know what all this stuff is doing here.
That's not me. Whatever, employees did that.
Huh?
So maybe whenever employees did that.
I have employees. That'd be cool. Somebody to help.
Well, one of your employees, meaning scale employees and or your family / employees that don't really do very much except certain tasks. Okay, now two.
So Ben, in order to have a good bond, I have to take off the old super glue.
Do whatever you need to. Make sure that that truck is in good condition to run on the rails. Two. And number 4. String is very annoying. No idea why. Yes, in the real world it would be called rope or steel cable. Yeah. I wish I could just attach any of these. How's it going?
Oh, well.
This one right here. How's it going?
Still doing the prep. I'm still working hard.
Yes, indeed. That was the most important part. Can't have a good ending without a good beginning, for sure.
Well said.
Indeed. Okay, building number 3. getting going.
Little snag there, fell off the lift.
Can you describe your course of action?
Grab my what? Course of action. Well, the challenge is that you have to keep the truck level. You can't do it with the wheels applied because there's no way to keep it properly aligned unless you can push it down on something.
I see. How long do you expect it will take the glue to the adherent to dry?
Once it's properly positioned, I think it will just be a couple minutes.
That's very good. We're able to glue it around the wheels.
No, because you can't put any force on the joint with the wheels in the middle. And you can't rest it on the level surface to get the proper alignment. Once you put the wheels in, this thing is a flippy floppy.
Yeah, I'm just trying to prevent it re-breaking when I try and force the wheels in.
Yeah, I understand.
So what phase are you in now?
Just letting it dry.
Alright, you want to start looking up the email to Norfolk Southern Courtyard.
Alrighty. Give the super glue out on my fingers.
Let me know when it's dry so that I can start putting the wheels in.
I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna have to do it?
Hmm?
You're gonna have to do it? Is that what you said?
I said I'm going to do it.
Thank you very much.
Rockville, is that what it's called?
Rockport. Cleveland. Cleveland, Ohio.
last name?
He didn't share his last name. Excellent design. A little bumpy, but other than that, an excellent design. Why is that? There we go. Still not. Let's see if it'll go around. There we go. Let's flip this one.
Norfolk Southern. Rockport Yard, Cleveland. Norfolk Southern's Rockport Yard in Cleveland is a key, albeit smaller hub and crew change point serving the Cleveland line, Lake Erie District, and Chicago line. It acts as a focal point for regional freight with trains such as C89, C97, and the Campbell Road turn C22 originating or terminating here. The yard handles intermodal containers and serves as a crucial point for connecting industry with major lines. Rockport serves as a location for changing locomotives, including at times assigning powerful units like the C44-9W for heavy long-distance freight. It is situated in Cleveland, often associated with industrial traffic moving through the city. While the massive Bellevue Yard is the primary hub in the region, Rockport remains vital for Cleveland area industrial rail traffic and crew changes. Now you know.
Doesn't say what their email is. How are you thinking?
Wow, dude, look at this.
Getting that information.
Here's a map.
Mm-hmm. Definitely makes sense.
Yeah, that's where we were. All right.
Okay, let's get started on this thing. Here. Time to get started on the plan for storing the.
There is no direct public email address listed for Norfolk Southern Rockport Yard in Cleveland. The Rockport Yardmaster can be reached by phone at 216-898-4084. General inquiries to Norfolk Southern, meaning the entire corporation, can be emailed to otr@nscorp.com.
Guess that's all I have to do. think?
The regional project contact for inquiries regarding projects in Ohio, you can contact system engineer E.W. Chambers at eldridge.chambers@mscorp.com.
Okay. So. Good. Doesn't. Okay. So this is not totally ugly, but it will work. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so this thing this is something that I will use to draw on to quickly sketch out a plan for the wrap storage. So let's see. I have 40, 15, so let's see, I'm doing Labor Day, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Christmas, Halloween. 5. So divided by 5. So it's around 4 inches tall. So let's do 2.5 inches. So that'll work. Alright, so let's do this. 0.5 tall. What? Actually, I should start right here. So, right here. Okay, then we'll do uh, 2 feet, 2 O scale feet tall. How's it going over there, Dan?
Not really getting anywhere.
Well, I guess I'll have to email the general.
Just say, hey, there's a guy named Frank that worked at the yard a couple years ago.
He said he would be there for another 13 years. Until he retires.
Yeah, I've searched several different ways. I think the best thing to do would be to call the Rockport Yardmaster phone number tomorrow.
Okay. So,
There we go.
Let's.
You know, Norfolk Southern is hiring, Bill. Hiring a building train conductor.
What does that mean? It's not something I can do. It's not something I can do.
He says not.
Yeah.
Ooh, Binghamton, New York train conductor. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania train conductor. Voorheesville, New York, locomotive engineer. Apprentice signal trainee. Charlottesville, Chesapeake. Roanoke. So if you want to be a conductor, must be 18 years or older, must hold a valid driver's license, ability to report to work within 20 minutes.
Jeez.
You must be available to work on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with as little as 90 minutes notice. Clean driving record. First year conductors average $70,000 annually, experienced conductors $84,000. Conductor trainees earn a minimum of $200 per shift. During on-the-job training with overtime, $25 an hour. Yeah. But you have to do all these physical tests. You have to be able to lift and carry 85 pounds. You have to do a hang test. You have to have the ability to hang from a rail car ladder with 3 points of contact, 2 feet in one hand for 1 minute, 15 seconds per side.
That's pretty easy.
Ability to walk up to several miles per shift on uneven terrains.
Okay.
Your visual acuity must be good. Must have color vision, no hearing loss. You totally do this, man. Work outdoors in all weather conditions. This is a safety-sensitive position requiring constant alertness while working around heavy, moving, potentially hazardous locomotive engines. Qualifications. Experience working outdoors in various weather conditions. Experience with heavy equipment or in physically demanding roles. Experience working with non-traditional shifts, on call, or with 12-hour plus shifts. Dude, you could totally do this.
Yeah, I don't really want to, though.
Conductors build and inspect trains, rail cars, and equipment for safe operation, operate remote control locomotives, and perform tasks such as coupling, aligning, drawbars, applying handbrakes, and riding rail cars. Communicate effectively with crews, dispatchers, and yard patrollers. Maintain accurate documentation. Comply with all FRA company safety regulations. Perform additional duties as assigned, which means you do whatever they tell you to do. Okay. Let's see. Tomorrow we'll call Norfolk Southern. Let's see how we're doing here. Good. Do a little cleanup. Just a man and his Dremel.
Let's go some. Let's look this way. Doing a test to see if this works for my multi-drawing needs. So I can do that. Could kind of work. Yes. So. Alright. Okay, we are back. Let's not make that up again. That's not good. Okay, so, where was I? Oh, yes. So, I mean that. Have it right there.
Sketching right now?
No, I already did that.
What's happening now?
Now I'm testing what it would look like if I tried to use the same camera for when I'm drawing to scale and needing my computer and my workspace. Using the same camera for that. Trying to figure out if it would be a good angle in particular areas.
Okay.
Yeah, not quite to the left yet. That would be very so I'll have to be to the right. So it would be this way. Yeah, okay. I guess that would be. I have no clue. But, I mean, it looks. I mean, it's sideways for you, but I think that's fine. I don't know if it's for you. Yeah, have your camera back if you wish.
I don't wish. It's been an hour.
Alright, we'll take it. I have nothing to do. Yeah. Yeah, okay.
I'm good, I'm just doing some cleanup.
What type of cleanup was that?
Now there's some glue residue that might interfere with the function of the truck at the joint.
So you got the wheels inside?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. It really does a lot. Does NWS have a model yet? If you have a lot of precision.
Okay. Back in business. Back to reality.
Thank you very much.
Don't drop it.
I will try not to.
If you do, it will explode.
Oh, just. And that to go in
I won't drop it. Ollie might do some something with it, but that's how it happened in the first place.
Mhm.
Oh,
Yeah. I almost did that too.
yeah, it's tough not to do. It's fun having a forklift that you can put a truck on and have the forks act as rails. That means that Lego is directly proportional to the HS.
That was part of the plan.
What do you mean?
Lego.
I don't know. HS scale, at least to me, it's not very modern.
Lego's not modern at all.
Yeah. That's true. Wait, maybe. I don't know why it would be. As the one out of all of them. But, anyway, thank you very much. We now have time to get to our other thing, but we'll just have to do that.
It's already 9:12.
We can, yeah. We did start at 8, so. Oh. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Any parting words, Dan?
It's been real. MWES. Always doing our best for the rest. Pass the test. And then we thump our chest. I missed you.
See you in the next video. Good day.